Um, welcome into 716 Sports Blizzard podcast. Today my guests are Chris
Hi,
Pomay and Nick Small from the Argo Bounce podcast.
the Argo Bounce live audio show, and we're both from Ontario. Nick is from a city called Clarkson, which is just outside of Toronto, and I'm from Guelph, and I'm sure Nick will say the same thing. Thank you so much for having us on tonight.
Yep, we're excited to bring a little bit of the 416 and the 905 here to the 716 today.
How are you doing, Robby?
I'm doing good. I'm excited to have you guys on the show.